Hi, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center. This is Ava, my daughter. It's lunchtime and I thought I should do a video on what happens in the treatment room. So many people wonder what happens in a chiropractic office, and a lot of times people think there's only one way to get adjusted, and that's the quote-unquote cracking the neck and back. For one, I want to remind you that there are so many different ways to get adjusted. The way I look at it and the way I describe it to my patients is, listen, to come to my office, there are two ways to get into the center. It doesn't matter which way you take as long as you take one to get here. Same goes with adjustment. There is not one way to get adjusted. There are many ways. There are different situations that call for a different technique. There are different people that, just like some people like certain food and some people don't like that same exact food. Same goes with the adjustment. So sometimes I adjust one patient and I see that the response rate was not as good as I wanted, so I use the technique and I use something else. Bottom line is, as long as we remove nerve irritation, we create that spark to basically stimulate the nervous system so it does its job, which is, one, to take great care of you, two, attend to all the different needs at any given moment, and to make you live a long, healthy life, then we're good. So here I'm going to use what's called the manual technique or diversified technique on my wonderful daughter, Ava. Ava, say hi. Hi. So typically a patient lays down on the table. If I were to adjust, of course, they would be more on their stomach. So I'm gonna ask Ava to lay down on her stomach. So here we go. I wanna make sure we get it right. I'm gonna bring it down. I palpate to see what's happening. Okay, Ava, to scoot down a little bit so your shoulders off the headpiece. Breathe in and all the way out. Beautiful. Lift your head up, straight up. We'll go sideways. That was her first rib that was adjusted. Your first rib starts here and it ends over here. So here we go the other side. Breathe in and out. Beautiful. Now we'll proceed to the pelvis, this side up, Ava. Nice and relax. Beautiful. On your back. No, your back. Oh. We don't need to adjust the other side. Not everything that we palpate gets adjusted, just so you know. And here we go. Go ahead and bend your knees for me. Right there. The second cervical spine and the neck needs to be adjusted. Beautiful. And the first one over here. Relax. There we go. Fantastic. Now, beautiful. There you have it. That was Ava's cervical adjustment, neck adjustment, and that's that. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.